online training. It is a great way to really help a lot of people all over the world. It took me more than 25 years to teach and train my first 10,000 students. But through online training, I trained another 10,000 students within a couple of months on some of the online platforms I'm on. So it's a great way of reaching a mass people. It's a way of reaching people who may live in other countries, other continents, who couldn't afford to come to you or for you to come to them. And it's a way to make your expertise scalable. So I absolutely love online training. I hope you do too, which is why you're in this course. There are a lot of good reasons to be involved with online training. One, you simply want to help people learn a new skill, learn some body of knowledge that will help them. Two, you want to reduce costs for people coming to you or you going to them. Three, you want to make money. There's nothing wrong with that. I want to make money. It can be a great part of your business as a standalone or as a promotional for other parts of your business. So all of these are good reasons for wanting to enter online training. There's also other things like areas where you help people from time to time, but it's not a core part of your business. So for example, I teach people public speaking and media training as my core revenue model. But nobody ever hires me to get them over their fear of public speaking because, my goodness, being in a room with somebody who teaches presidents and prime ministers and CEOs on CNBC, that's scary for someone who has a fear of public speaking. But by creating an online course on this very topic, as I have, it allows people to learn, improve, get better, and to have that comfort zone of doing it in their own home, their own bedroom, their own office. So that's another value of online training, where you're simply able to reach people who maybe for a whole variety of reasons wouldn't engage your services, your expertise in any other way. Now, to me, the worst reason for doing online training is you think, oh, that's a hot topic, let me latch onto it and make a bunch of money. Now we're going to go right into topic, how you pick your topic.